In this video, we're building a QR code generator using Node.js and Express. No database, no front-end framework, just simple back-end logic. And by the end, you'll understand exactly how it works. First, create an app.js file for the project. Inside that folder, type cmd in the address bar to open the terminal directly here. Now type code. And this opens the folder in VS Code. Open a new terminal inside VS Code. Run npm init-y. This creates a package.json file to manage our project dependencies. Now install the packages we need. npm I express QRCode. Express will handle our server, and QRCode will generate the image for us.
Now let's import them. We require Express so we can create our web server, and we require QRCode so we can generate QR images from text. These two libraries are the core of this project.
Next, we create our Express app. Const app equals Express. This app object controls routing, middleware, and everything happening in our server.
Now we add a middleware, Express.url encoded. This allows our server to read data sent from an HTML form. Without this, we wouldn't be able to access the text the user submits.
Here, we define a GET route for the home page. When someone visits the root URL, we send back a simple HTML form. The user enters text and submits it to /generate using a POST request. We're not using any template engine, just sending raw HTML directly.
Now comes the main logic. We define a POST route for /generate. First, we grab the text from the request body. This is the value the user typed into the form. Then we use QRCode.toData URL. This function converts the text into a base64 encoded image string. Because it's asynchronous, we use await to make sure the image is generated before we send a response. If everything works, we send back an HTML page containing an image tag with the generated QR code. If something goes wrong, we handle the error and send a simple message instead.
Finally, we start the server using app.listen on port 3005. Now the server is running and ready to accept requests.
Back in the terminal, run node app.js. Open your browser and go to localhost:3005. Enter any text. Click Generate, and instantly your QR code appears. And that's it, a simple, clean QR code generator built with Express.